guys, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jola Billions, Jola Pound, Jola Dollars, Jola Naira, Jola Euro, Jola everything money. Basically, I've told you people, if you want to be calling my name, we attaching money to it. Yeah, so like I promised, I'll be posting videos every Friday. So today we are going to the mall. Today is Thursday, 9th of September, and I'm getting ready to go to the mall. The goal is just to give a full tour of the Ikeja City Mall, all the stores inside the mall, just in case somebody is trying to come to Lagos to know the closest mall to them or the mall to visit. You're not very familiar with Ikeja City Mall, or maybe you're familiar with the mall, maybe you're just used to going to a particular spot and you don't know that there are other spots. I plan on calling a text Uber or Bolt. I do not know why I end up calling them taxi. Taxi, those yellow ones. I'll be heading out soon. Hey, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
That ticket is for parking, right?
Parking 200.
Oh, okay. But that's if you are staying long now.
Yes.
Okay.
It's after 30 minutes. Start again. This side.
So the thing is, Ikeja City Mall has different shops in different segments. I'll just say categorically, like there are like 3 or 4 shops that sell the same things. First, there's like the clothing stores. There are different clothing stores in the mall, and then there are different shops for accessories. There are the high-end brands, and then there are the affordable brands. There's the food, my personal favorite. There are different places they sell food, like a lounge or hangout bar. Network providers also have their store at the mall. Dry cleaners, electronics, phones, devices, gadgets, stores at the mall as well. So I hope you guys just enjoy watching this video. So hi guys, I don't know if you people can hear me. Yep, so I'm currently at the mall, currently at ShopRite right now, and then I'm at the parking lot, which is quite large. So I'm thinking of starting by my left hand side. Okay guys, so ICM is located in the heart of Alausa Ikeja. It is said to be the busiest mall in Nigeria. It is the largest mall in Lagos, and it guarantees a parking space for over 700 cars. And the shopping center comprises of over 100 stores with a desirable mix of different retailers, from fashion brands to food to gadgets, electronics, you name it. And shoppers actually provided with a comfortable, clean, safe environment for their shopping experience, entertainment. There's Silverbird Cinema here where you can watch any movie of your choice, and ICM is actually just about 20 minutes drive away from the airport. So I apologize for not capturing inside of these shops. My main purpose was just to let you guys know the different shops that are located inside the mall, which was what I did by just capturing the names of the shops so you can get an idea of what is inside it. And in case you're wondering if this particular store has their branch in the ICM store. So now you know. The different things you can do at the mall includes enjoying essentials meal, going shopping for clothes, shopping for groceries, household items, buying the best hair and makeup, carrying out financial transactions. The mall is usually open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Some of the stores available at Ikeja City Mall is ShopRite, which is a multi-range retailer, Infant Tombo, Kids Fashion Outlet, Audacious Fashion Outlet, Cell Phone Repair, Mountain Place, which is a skincare outlet, Novesa Nigeria, also a fashion outlet, Pandora Jewelry Store, Pierre Cardin Fashion Outlet, Visco Boutique Fashion Outlet, Casabella Ikeja Cosmetics Outlet, Health Plus, which is a pharmacy, identity store, fashion outlet, Nike Sports Fashion Outlet, Shawarma and Co, which is for sandwiches and wraps, then True What Store Fashion. Most of the stores, like 60% of the stores at the mall includes fashion. Then there are like 20% for gadgets, 20% for food store, and then 10% for other, which includes network providers, gadgets, dry cleaners, amongst others. Tourist friends, or if you're a tourist yourself, you should try visiting Ikeja City Mall if you come to Lagos, Nigeria. All the fun things, everything you need to shop, or everything you need to do for fun, you can easily find at the Ikeja City Mall. There is a cinema that has the latest movies that you can watch for affordable prices. There are different fashion brands that you mentioned earlier. Food you can eat, different both local and international brands that you can shop from. Moreover, this is the largest store in Lagos, so anything you want is here compared to other stores that might not have some of the shops that are available at the Ikeja City Mall. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of all the stores available at the Ikeja City Mall. Just in case you were planning on buying from one of these brands, or you were wondering if any of these particular brands have their stores available at the Ikeja City Mall. Enjoy. So to see a movie at the Ikeja City Mall Silverbed Cinema on Mondays costs 2,000 naira plus a popcorn. On Tuesday, that's 1,500 naira. There's a promo flat rate. On Wednesday, that's 2,000 naira plus a ticket and popcorn. Thursdays, there's also a promo flat rate, and it's 1,500 naira plus your popcorn. Fridays, weekends, holidays, the ticket is 3,000 naira plus your jumbo popcorn and pet drinks. For blockbuster movies, that's 3,500 naira for your ticket, jumbo popcorn and pet drink. For VIP movies, the ticket is 4,000 naira for your jumbo popcorn and pet drink. Me personally, when I go to the mall, I enjoy watching a good movie, then I eat, window shop, and maybe buy a thing or two at ShopRite. What do you guys do when you go to the mall? What do you enjoy doing? Why do you go to the mall? Have you been to ICM before? Do you enjoy going to other malls that you would like me to do a video on? What are your thoughts about the Ikeja City Mall? So all in all, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Alright. So I'm back home, and to stop by Dodo Pizza because I was super hungry. This was all I got at the mall. This is chicken barbecue, the medium size. I got the medium size. This tastes good, very good. This is probably one of the craziest things that I've ever done. I went to the mall alone by myself to record like the shops, the different shops at the mall. Though I wasn't disturbed. I got in and I started recording, and it was just crazy, and people were just like, I don't want to go viral, no, please don't record my face. It was crazy because I'm a shy person. I can be like very shy, I can be really introverted, and then I can be really extroverted. And today I was feeling more like my introverted self. So taking a camera, walking around the whole ICM, trying to capture all the shops. I know it's pretty, for some people that's pretty easy. Yeah, it was easy, kind of. It was still more of something I've never really done before. Okay, I know on my friend's birthday, we went to the mall, and then, you know, it was like a day in my life video. I didn't really capture the whole entire mall. This video, like, I went to the mall for that sole purpose. Got dressed, left my house just to record the shops at the mall to put on YouTube. And that's just like, that's like the farthest length I've gone for my YouTube career. I know, like, if I want to be successful, if I know I really want to do YouTube seriously, I'm still have to go to hey, wow. At the end of the day, it was a nice video. I enjoyed making the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you made it to this point of the video, please type pizza in the comment section so I know you made it to the last stage of the video, if that makes sense. Alright guys, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share my video. You might just know somebody coming to Lagos for the first time and wants to go to Ikeja City Mall. Maybe the mall, the ShopRite or the mall in your area might not have some shops that Ikeja City Mall have. You get me? You know the vibes. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe.